Do you want pull-lock jokes? Because this is how you get pull-lock jokes. There's nowhere near enough room to turn this thing around inside the garage, so you have to resort to some pretty unfortunate tactics.